They're pretty.
I love this.
Which ones you like?
This one, oh my God.
Those are
That
gorgeous.
one's $8.88 now.
How much are they? $8.80?
Well, these are, I think they're, because they're $12.98, and the sale makes them, I think they're $8.88.
Okay.
$8.88. That's a really good
For
buy.
all of these or just the ones up there?
I'm not sure, because here they're saying $12.88.
Right.
These are $12.88. So I think here, they said the classic basket, I guess these are them. These are $8.88, I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna get my wood chips.
Oh, these are so pretty.
I'm gonna get my wood chips and then I'm gonna go check out the garden center and then I might come back for those.
Those are so gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
You can take those out the pot and plant them. They come up next year.
Right.
Oh my God. Have a good one.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy. I just really want to get started for my garden. Right. Have a good day. Oh, ready? Okay. Okay.
Is the printer receipt preferred or email in?
You could print it. Thank you so much. Can I leave this here while I look around a little bit more? Okay, thank you.